Imagine a home where every line speaks of intention, bathed in the warm embrace of natural light. This is modern design at its finest. It's a space crafted for living, for connecting, for finding peace in a busy world. But the vision extends beyond the walls. Step outside and the story continues. Sunlight filters through leaves, casting intricate patterns on manicured lawns. The landscape is not merely decoration. It's an integral part of the home's identity. It breathes with the rhythm of the day. Here, the outdoor space is a sanctuary, a place designed for quiet contemplation or vibrant gatherings. Lush plantings, thoughtful pathways, and open green areas flow seamlessly from the interior. It's an extension of luxury. This harmony doesn't happen by chance. It is the result of expert hands and a deep understanding of form and function. It requires a vision to see the potential in the land and the skill to bring that potential to breathtaking reality. Creating landscapes that elevate a property, that enhance the lifestyle of its inhabitants, is a true art. It's about transforming spaces into experiences, leaving a lasting impression of beauty and tranquility. This is the mark of excellence. For those dedicated to this craft, this is the opportunity to shape environments that inspire and delight. To be the artist behind the masterpiece, creating outdoor spaces that are as functional as they are stunning. Your expertise makes this possible.